Danio Notifier, keeping senior residents and their families connected. What is Danio Notifier? With Danio Notifier, you can track the status of loved ones receiving care in senior residences, hospitals, doctor offices, or at home in real time, really anywhere in the world. But is it safe? Absolutely. It's safe, private, and secure. Danio Notifier is easy. Download the app or visit our website. When your loved one begins receiving care, they get a tracking code called, what else? A Danio. As your care provider issues updates, you'll be informed of your loved one's latest status. As a stage 4 cancer patient myself, knowing my loved ones are receiving updates on my care truly gives me peace of mind. Danio Notifier is a smartphone and web-based platform which automatically provides updates to residents, family, friends, and caregivers. No matter where you are, you can be rest assured the information is reliable and secure. Putting in status updates as easy as 1, 2, 3. With Danio Notifier, you'll receive updates in real time regarding medication, therapy, activities, and doctor visits. Join me in creating your care network. Danio Notifier, keeping senior residents and their families connected.